In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn on live translation in iPhone messages on iOS 26 and future iOS updates. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and make sure your iPhone is up to date. You can do this by going into your settings and then going down into this general tab right here and select software update. Confirm you're at least on iOS 26 because this feature only works on that version or later. After you're at least on iOS 26, go ahead and back out and open up a text conversation. If the feature is supported, you'll see an option to translate that message automatically. If you don't see it, go ahead and tap on the contact's name up at the very top. And from here, if you scroll down, you're going to see an option to automatically translate, just like so. Once turned on, messages will detect whatever language it is and translate it for you in real time. You can stick with the suggested language or you can manually pick one. Right now, all the supported languages include Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, and Portuguese. After you've chosen, go back to that conversation, and from now on, any message you receive in that language is going to automatically appear in translation, so that you can chat and text without needing a separate app. But it really is as simple as that. That's how you can enable live translation on iOS 26 messages. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.